this tutorial, I'm going to be giving you an introduction to Firebug. Firebug is an extension for Mozilla Firefox which offers users many helpful tools to help build and develop their websites. Some of these features include, but are not limited to, 1. The ability to view and edit CSS code live and see the results real-time on your website before making any physical changes on your server. 2. You can see any source code loaded on your site. 3. You can see a list of active scripts being run on a particular page. And 4. You can view how long certain files are taking to load to help improve your site's page load times. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Firebug to make simple CSS modifications to our templates so you can get the exact custom feel that you are looking for. To follow along with the rest of this tutorial, you are going to have a few tools. The first tool you need is the browser Mozilla Firefox. You can download this browser for free at www.mozilla.org. The second tool you're going to need is the extension Firebug. You can download this extension on Firefox's extensions page at addons.mozilla.org. The third tool you're going to need is any Shape5 template demo to practice using the software. In this case, I've chosen to use our new Prestige Academy template. Once you have loaded one of our demo sites, make sure Firebug is enabled and press F12 to open the add-on console. Firebug has a very handy tool which helps you isolate any element on a website to see what coding is generating its styling and output. To use this tool, click the cursor tool to the right of the ladybug and then click on any element on the page. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be clicking on the Read More button. Once you click on an element, you will see the HTML source code on the bottom left-hand side and the CSS styling code on the right-hand side. So let's say I wanted to change the Read More buttons to use black text instead of white text, since that suits my style a little bit better. I now need to look on the right-hand pane CSS view and locate the color coding that is currently generating white text. If you look carefully at the CSS code on the right-hand side, you will see that the white text for the Read More buttons is being generated from this line: color code white, important. To change this to black, you would simply click on the color code and change it to hashtag 000000. Now you can see that all the Read More buttons have been changed to use black text instead of white text. But let's say you wanted to take it one step further. Let's say I want all the Read More buttons on the right-hand side instead of the left-hand side. To do this, we'll find the current float code, which is set to left, click it, and change it to right. So now you can see that all the Read More buttons are now using black text and are now floating on the right-hand side. Once you are happy with all your CSS modifications in Firebug, it's time to make the changes directly on the server. The best thing about Firebug is it tells you exactly where to find any lines of code that you edited in Firebug so you can easily apply them on the server. In this case, all the code that we edited is in the template.css file on line 199. Once you save and apply the CSS changes on the server, it will then be live for all your visitors to see. Hopefully now you have a better idea of how to use the CSS feature in Firebug. If you are interested in more video tutorials like this, please let us know on the forums, and as always, if you have any questions, please create a forum post and one of our administrators will be happy to assist you.